welcome to Eclipse Ford. How can I help you today?
Hi, I've got an appointment to see Ricky.
Okay, and what was your name?
Declan.
Okay, give me one moment, I'll grab him for you.
All right, thank you.
Hi,
How are you?
you must be Declan.
Yes.
Welcome to Eclipse Ford.
Thank you very much. It's a lot bigger than I was expecting.
We're actually going to get a lot bigger. The Ballarat community has been very fantastic to us, and we're actually investing and we're doing a full refurb starting very soon.
Cool.
So welcome to the dealership.
Well, Sid did say, come and see Ricky. Him and the team will sort you out, so.
That's fantastic. So what I'll do, I'll get you to one of our fantastic sales consultants. Her name is Lizzie.
Yep.
And she'll be able to go through everything with you. So
Awesome.
come on down and I'll make you a cup of coffee.
Brilliant. Thank you. I love new car environments. I like the new car smells.
Oh, nothing beats a new car smell. Those air fresheners have not got it at all.
No.
So, looking for a new car. So what do we need to use the car for? What do we need?
I need it for work.
What type of car do you drive at the moment?
Currently driving a BF Falcon. I love it, but it's old and it's definitely time for an upgrade.
What about performance? You're interested in something that performs really well or is really fast, or maybe just something that's more fuel efficient?
I don't mind so much about the fuel efficiency, so long as it's got performance and power. That's the main thing.
What about towing capacity?
Definitely need something that's got towing capacity. I'm thinking I'm going to be towing trailers, cars on them, loads in the back, so something that's 3.5 ton.
Do you have a colour in mind?
Colour, I'm not really set on so much. As long as it's not toxic green. My Ute is currently toxic green and there's only one green machine, so I'm not going to replace that, but I'm flexible on colour. Luxury would be nice. I'm going to be spending a lot of time on the road. I do already, but I know I'm going to be doing a lot more road trips, so something that's got a few of the finer luxuries in life and a great sound system would be nice, because my current Ute is, the sound system is pretty much squeaks and rattles and road noise, so I'd like something a little bit better.
Right, Dec. So you're after something with a bit of power, it's a bit of luxury, and has the towing capacity. I've got the car for you. Let's go have a look.
Really?
Yeah.
What have you got?
I've got an F150.
Yeah?
Yep, a Lariat.
Sam's going to kill me.
Well, I don't think she will. What do you think?
That's nice. It's very nice.
Yep.
Shiny, I like it.
Wow, you said power. So this has got a 3.5 EcoBoost twin turbo V6, pushes 298 kilowatts of power, 678 Newton meters of torque. You said luxury. It has heated and cooled seats, leather all throughout, and a moonroof.
And a moonroof.
And a moonroof.
I like the sound of cool seats.
Yes.
I suffer in the heat, so cool seats is good. For Sam, she likes heated.
Yeah.
She's always cold. And Sam likes sunroofs, but my red head doesn't cope too well with the sun, so it's got a little bit of something for all of us, I suppose.
Yeah, 14 cup holders. I'm sure Sam will like that.
That's Sam, sort of. Sam's got an obsession with coffee cups of every shape, size, colour, metal ones, plastic ones, ones that travel, ones that don't travel, and they all rattle around in the car. So 14, she should be covered.
I think so. And you said capacity, so you can tow 4.5 ton with a big 6.5 foot bed. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fit all your car parts in there too.
Yeah, I'll be able to stack plenty into that. And that's more than enough for like towing and enclosed trailer and car on board. That's plenty.
So all these sensors around the car work together with the camera in here to give you a bird's eye view, so you can see in real life.
Yeah, well, it would help with something this size.
Yeah. Wait till you see this.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you can put your phone here.
Oh yeah?
So phone holder. You can measure fish.
Yeah, length of steel maybe.
Bottle openers down this end. Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Ford have thought of it all. Wait for this one.
You're kidding.
No. Go on, give it a go.
Will it take my
Yes,
weight?
it will.
Yeah?
It's load bearing, yeah.
I like this. That's a huge roof.
It is.
This was made for me. Oh, even my decrepit old knees can. And I don't know if I can get the tailgate down without
Yeah.
putting stuff on the ground, and I love this. This is bloody great. Look at that. So does it go up as well?
Yes.
I love that.
Built Ford tough.
I like it.
All right, let's go for a drive.
Yep. All right, let's do it. Ooh.
Get your seat in the position. It's the most it's the most important thing.
Adjustable steering wheel.
Yeah, it's electric, so there's just a button
yeah.
right there. And the pedals will come out to your feet as well.
Really?
Yeah, so the button that is just on your console there, yeah, that one. So they go down to the floor and then back up to your feet. So it's coming closer to you.
That's very snazzy. I like
It
that.
accommodates for tall and short.
Tall and shorties.
Yeah.
That's cool.
See how it just started adjusting?
Yeah.
So that's easy entry exit, and where your seat will lower so you can get it out easy. And you can also, the pedals will come to your feet with that button just down on your dash there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And there's also electric steering. So that circle, yeah, your finger's right there.
Heaps of room. I feel like I'm in a lounge suite. All right, let's see if I can reverse it out of here without doing any damage. Oh,
Yeah, look at that.
oh, it's full 360.
Yeah, and you can zoom up on any of the corners too. So makes reversing or parking very easy in such
Wow.
a large vehicle.
That's pretty snazzy. It's got a serious presence
sorry.
on the road, doesn't it?
Oh, it's got definite stance.
It's even got the little
Speed detection.
the little, so it tells you what the speed.
Yeah, it's got a radar in here that actually detects the posted speed limit with its radar. So it
Right.
recognises speed signs and give way signs, stop signs, all the signs.
Oh yeah, so look, the 50, because that's the 50 zone. That's pretty incredible.
It'll even let you set it so it doesn't go over the posted speed limit or under it, but you can set a tolerance to have a few Ks over and under.
And it'll give you a warning.
Yeah, it'll just hold you to that speed.
Oh, it'll actually hold you to it.
Yeah, won't let you
Right.
go past it. It's called the Intelligent Speed Limiter.
All right, don't tell Sam that.
Okay.
Actually, Sam is my intelligent speed limiter. Honey, you're speeding. It's really nice how quick that actually cools everything down. Considering the size of this cabin, I actually feel like it's cool in here more or less straight away.
It is instant, yeah.
So are we going straight on here?
Yeah.
Love a good dirt road.
Yeah, nothing like getting your car dirty. And there's even like a wireless charger here, cord holes next to that,
Yeah.
as well as more cord holes and a 12 volt.
12
All
volt USB,
all it-
USB,
Yeah, all very
wireless.
easy to get to. Your rear passengers also have some charging spots as well as 14 cup holders.
40.
Storage galore.
I noticed the storage down here and heaps of storage obviously in the door.
Yeah,
It's just,
even a lockable storage box underneath the back seat that you can only access with an external key.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's unreal.
You can barely tell it's there. It's one
Yeah.
of those things you only know if you're in the Ford know-how.
And I like how it feels on these dirt roads as well.
You can't even tell.
Nah,
You don't
it's
even notice a difference. That it's not.
really, really smooth.
And then you can just select your 4 all whilst you're in motion. Do you feel how that gave you a bit more
Yeah.
traction on the road? And now it's even smoother.
Yeah,
Yeah,
literally straight away.
instantly, yeah. The body's actually made of aluminium. Yeah, not steel. So it doesn't have the hard, like, panels and stuff. It is still metal, essentially, but it's not going to cause as much damage as what it would. So it'll...
Is everything aluminium?
No, yeah, the whole body of the car is aluminium, but the chassis is steel.
Yeah.
Yeah, being capable of going four-wheel driving without, scratching too bad or making too many dents that you can't repair.
Yeah.
So Declan, the car's pretty dirty. I don't know how the fuel's going, but do you think we could get back to the dealership now?
Look, we've got about, it says on the screen, We have 557 kilometres of fuel
Until empty.
until empty. So I reckon we can go for another while.
It was full when we got in. We've been driving for an hour now. You've said you've loved it more than 10 times. I'm pretty sure we should go back to the dealership and sign you up.
All right, sold.
Sold.
Right.
We got a deal.
But I don't want this one. This one's dirty.
I'll make sure it's nice and shiny.
All right, sweet.